Oh my god, it has a, this is, ay! In front of the one, that's crazy. I feel, bro, you went down on one end.
And it has a swirl too.
Like, look at it.
If you know what color swirls, blue. This one needs a sun on it and then it's complete.
The coincidence
It
is
needs to be
crazy.
blue.
Yeah, this one needs to be blue.
Buy there. Visit us.
Can I help you now? Why do we get distracted?
I have the
My
rest.
phone. I'll put it in my pocket since I'm nice.
But how are you gonna need?
Don't drop.
Yeah. Great. I'm holding it now. We have a guitar.
The sun.
Because why not? A little black logo, because we're not racist.
And a white bunny.
A
'cause you're
cute
not
white
racist.
bunny, because we're not racist.
A black cat because you're not.
Racist.
No, you're not. What's the word for it? You don't believe in witchcraft.
Luck, they bring luck.
And a white deer because we respect all religions. Hashtag Christmas.
Hashtag Christmas. And SpongeBob, because SpongeBob.
That's a very good reason.
It's not even working.
It doesn't even work, bro. It's a pink watch that doesn't work. Puss! In puss!
Okay, she's a
Doesn't
fan.
have registration. I putting it up people's asses.
Look at the tiny baby, and then there's the pills in comparison.
I was gonna say it was white blood, but I can't say that.
She just said it.
Poor kid is insane. Look now.
Now look now, this is cuter.
No,
It's
this is-
glittery.
oh, this
Shut up! This is cuter.
No, look, they have tiny bunnies on it. Oh, look. Peach. Peach.
Oh, peach. It literally says peach.
See, I win.
Who said this was a competition?
I did.
I did not agree for
No,
competition.
she agreed. It's stars. And it's purple.
Oh,
And it's a little
cat. Do they work?
We call on.
You have to
Oh,
test
my
it.
God.
Did it work? It worked.
Can you please just move?
Can you help me put it back in?
now? Oh my god. I would have totally bought this if I was still in school because I was looking for this very specific brand of pens. But I'm not in school anymore, so it doesn't
You
matter.
don't need it anymore.
Let me touch it.
I used to have pink ones of these.
And I think we could have gotten matching blue ones.
No, she needs
The
just
pink
very
ones
grown
are
up
the
stuff.
pink.
Oh.
Move.
Yeah.
Let me touch it. It works. Okay, put it back in.
I'm
The other side, the other side.
Why are we doing this as a physical job? Can you do it so that I can like do other things?
Okay, just stay safe.
This is her new makeup bag.
Why is it so expensive though? Like I swear you
How
could
much
buy
is
this
it?
for like $2. And this is it was here by the way, like if it was cheaper I would have bought it. I don't think she wants to. From now on I'm gonna buy cherry stuff
Found cherry.
just because it has meaning.
Oh, there's cherry over here too.
Exactly.
Without any leaf. I like it.
That's cute.
It has a bow even.
Cute. What is this? Oh, there's a down
How
part
much
too.
is that?
Please, if it's 200.
Holy
Yeah,
shit, it's 150.
bro.
Close enough.
Can it be cheaper so I can buy it? Like I want a non-cherry, like I want real. You can see later.
I know.
What do
I
you
know
know?
what she's gonna do with glitter paper.
Let me know. What do you know?
I will email
Is
you.
that like a packet?
Which she know?
Hello guys, help.
We're getting paper.
It's fine.
Yeah, because we're here to get pink paper.
I have no idea what she's doing with this, but yes.
I guess we'll see.
I
like-
definitely know.
It's so amazing. No,
Yeah, that's so helpful.
that is not giving though. look at everything.
Yeah.
I forgot to send it to you guys.
We found a gun.
It looks like the exact kind of gun in the. I think that was the exact kind too. I bet it looked like this. I bet it looked like this side.
It is.
That,
definitely
that's
is.
what
It
I
is.
like. I first saw this huge one, but then I saw that.
Stop.
Sorry. I didn't mean to say
You
that.
see it?
Tifa, it will hurt if it's outside.
It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt.
She's the one that said Adioy. She's evil laughing. Why'd you stop?
Okay.
She stopped when she
Because
saw.
you started recording.
There's no triangle puffs.
Why is it so expensive?
What is?
What is eyeliners? It's 190 rupiah.
It'd always be like that. Sometimes. Mostly.
I need an eyeliner. I want a brown eyeliner.
Let's see if we can find any.
Great. Why am I here? I have eyeliner braces.
Yes, Aya. We look through here and here. I think that is from this side anyways. Looks very pale.
It's famous on TikTok. The color is very dark though. This is ashy. It's like an ashy color.
Yeah, that looks very pale.
Pale. Definitely that is pale. The color is dark.
True.
What? Does not tester stuff? Is it not a tester? It doesn't say it. It says it. It is not in the box. Oh, shop. But I want brown. I speak issue. Oh. I have this. Why is it here? Oh, it's a highlighter. Where's the powder? For concealer, why is it so tiny?
Oh yeah, it's
Is
so
it
tiny.
supposed to be tiny?
That's
Is it just
actually
because it's a tester?
really tiny. I don't think it's supposed to be tiny.
It's 35 rupiah. I think it's supposed to be tiny.
Why is the box so big?
Do we like it? Matching. Brother, I think it chopped a piece of my hair off. It's gonna be chopping hair off.
It did chop it off too.
That's cute.
None of them are brown.
I need a brown one. Must be big. Looks big.
For no reason at all.
Is it white? I want white. Oh, wait, it's not tester. Flipping it.
Is there no
It's
tester?
definitely right there.
Oh, it's in there.
It's not a tester. That's crazy. Why is it like?
But aren't the testers in the bowl?
That's what I thought too.
The cups.
It's not though.
That makes no sense.
Oh. This one. This one. This is also very pretty.
Okay, she sat down again, guys.
This is like emerald green.
Glitter.
Yeah, yeah.
So they, I like the color.
Interesting.
It has good coverage. Should get one. It's expensive. It's more expensive nowadays.
65. Yeah.
It's very light.
Look at this.
I like the silver shiny one.
This loop has a color
I
like
haven't
this.
really sat down to look at the nail polishes. Oh, where'd she go?
She went to this one, and then we can maybe put this one, and then we put this one, and then it's so pretty.
I'm not laughing at you.
You better not. You better not.
I'm gonna check on her. We got tiramisu and the chocolate cake. It must be really short, the vlog.